Hello everyone, my name is Saroj Bangade. Today date is the 24 February 2022. Today video topic is the ICSR case processing. What is the ICSR? ICSR is the individual case safety reports refer to format or content for the submission of individual report of suspected adverse reaction in relation to the medicinal product occur in a single patient or a single patient at a specific point of time. A valid ICSR include the identifiable reporter, identifiable patient, identifiable adverse reaction, and a suspect adverse and a suspect medicinal product. The following stakeholder involve the ICSR processing. First is the safety data entry associated case processor, quality reviewer, and medical reviewer. Then first is a case receipt. Tools used for the tool used for the receipt of source documents as the adverse report, such as a mail or fax. Determine the case validity. Only valid cases qualified by regulatory report. In determining the case type, solicited or unsolicited report type, translate the adverse report of their country into English, and request to additional medicinal information where necessary. Database will be searched to investigate if the case is a new initial case, that is or if it is related to the case which has been previously received. Next one is a triage. Triage is a to review or assess to prioritization receive safety information and to record the minimal information required to quickly and reliably establish the case priority regarding expedited reporting requirement. The triage apply to all reported adverse event, special situation, and product complaint associated with the adverse event of both solicited and unsolicited type. Next one is a case data entry and case processing. Determine the case validity, valid or non-valid case, duplicate check performance, enter source of the case, data entry from adverse event report from to safety database, update reporter and patient detail in safety database, enter the medical history and laboratory as providing by the receptor, enter information about all reported reaction, MEDRA coding, start or stop date, and adverse event data and coding using MEDRA. Seriousness assessment, labeling and casualty assessment of the challenge and re-challenges, event ranking of safety database, narrative writing, query creation to obtain the additional information, case clarification and additional details. Next one is the quality review. Quality review perform the quality analysis to the case, ensure accurate and consistent data entry and case processing from adverse event report. Quality reviewer confirm the case validity, event term selection and coding of suspect product, and overall consistency of the information. The quality review also determine whether or not the follow up information medically significant. Quality reviewer assess the event leadiness, evaluate, confirm the seriousness assessment, and complete the modified the narrative as necessary. Next one is a medical review. The activity of medical review is performed by the safety physician as a medical reviewer. Physician review the first level step in the signal detection activity. Medical review check the overall case assessment and the consistency of information, including the confirmation of listedness determination. The medical review perform the company casualty, company clinical evaluation, comments, complete the SUSAR process and as appropriate. Medical review has the ultimate responsibility for serious assessment. The case is checked from the medical perspective of completeness, correctiveness and consistency. Media coding and a narrative are a review for the medical perspective. Check the source data is considered if considered necessary based on the medical judgment. Medical reviewer provide the pharmacovigilance comments for all ICSR, expect spontaneous non-serious listed ICSR and solicited and non-serious listed ICSR. Next is a quality reviewer. After medical reviewer quality review process again can be done by checking the information obtained from the medical review. Next one is a regulatory submission. After medical reviewer case are sent for distribution. Distribution is nothing but the submission of the ICSR regulatory authorities. Regulatory authorities. Safety database is confirmed to allow the automatic scheduling and generation of the expedited and non-expedited reported safety data. Associate responsible for monitoring the database worklist report regularly to ensure the appropriate and timely submission. This is the ICSR case processing system. Thank you.